Happy Independence Day, folks. On the occasion of this lovely day, I thought I will quote, recite, whatever you want to call it, one poem of Mahakavi Subramanya Bharati, popularly known as Bharatiyar, affectionately known as the Meesai Kavignant. In 12 lines, he has simply put the greatness of our country, its languages, its cultures, its rich traditions, the inherent wealth we have, the natural resources we have, and how we as Indians should treat all of it. I am not going to sing the song, I have something far better for you. Our great Maestro Anil will play the song for you at the end of each verse so that you can get into the flow. Let us sing, compose, and in the beautiful Telugu language, ride our boats on the river. Sindhu Nadiyin Isai Nilavinile Serana Natilam Pengaludane சுந்தர தெலுங்கினில் பாட்டிசைத்து தோணிகள் ஓட்டி விளையாடி வருவோம். The next 4 lines talks about our produce, what our country has to offer, both in terms of natural resources and in terms of culture. Gangai Nadi Purathu Godumai Pandam Kaviri Vetrilaikku Maru Kolvom Singa Marattiyartham Kavidai Kondu சேரத்து தந்தங்கள் பரிசளிப்போம். We will take the wheat products grown on the banks of the Ganges and in turn we will give them barter betel leaves grown on the banks of the river Kaveri. Ganga Kaveri link envisaged almost 100 years ago. Singa Marattiyartham Kavidai Kondu. We will take those great poems from the brave poets of Maharashtra, reward them with ivory tusks from the Cheranadu. Serathu Tandangal Parisalipu. See this, Anil. The next 4 lines talk about the rich natural resources of our country, how we as citizens should share it, as well as international relations with our neighbors. He first says that we will build a bridge to Sri Lanka. Doesn't stop with that. He says the Setu bridge, what is there, we will lift it and build a road on it. So he wants a bridge and a road. Then he says that all the excess water available in the land of Bengal, please remember, pre-independence, Bengal was one big land and we know how often during monsoons that place gets flooded. So he says the excess water from the Bengal, we will use it and irrigate the not so fertile portions of the rest of India. சிங்களத்தீவனுக்கோர் பாலம் அமைப்போம், சேத்துவை மேடுருத்தி வீதி அமைப்போம். வங்கத்தில் ஓடிவரும் நீரின் மிகையால் வையத்து நாடுகளில் பயிர் செய்யுவோம். அனில், இட்ஸ் யோர்ஸ். There might have been a lot of places where I went off key but not Anil, but the Tamil was correct. Now, to get the whole combination and see how it would have been when Bharati sang it, just imagine, in 12 lines, a man has brought in so many concepts. Bharati, Bharat, Mera Bharat Mahan. Jai Hind.